Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking Essentials. Make sure Windows Build supports the Xbox app and that you're signed into the correct Microsoft account. Once done, confirm Xbox Live Service is online so updates can download. Next, close the Xbox app completely and reboot the PC to clear transient locks. Make sure VPNs or proxies are off since they block update servers. Then open Microsoft Store and check for updates manually so you can observe any error codes or stalled downloads. If the app still won't update, reset it in settings to clear corrupted local data. This often fixes permission issues. Once reset, run the Microsoft Store troubleshooter and reset the store cache by running WS Reset. That clears stale download tokens. If problems persist, use an elevated PowerShell to remove and reinstall Xbox-related packages. This replaces broken app manifests. While doing that, make sure Windows Update is current and temporarily disable startup apps that might interfere with network or installer processes. Finish by signing back into the Xbox app and launching a game or feature to verify the update applied correctly. Make sure Windows Update has no pending installs. Drivers and OS patches can block app updates, so install those and reboot. If the update still fails, note the precise error code and collect Xbox app logs from Event Viewer or the store to give support. One key tip: creating a new Windows user account quickly isolates profile corruption. Try installing the app there before contacting Microsoft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.